Couple of weeks back, Google has announced its latest Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, and I've already made a video on the Pixel 7 Pro. If you haven't watched it yet, just click the cards above and watch it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And yeah, it's just been 2 weeks since the latest Pixel device have arrived, but right now a leaker named as Kuba, a renowned leaker named as Kuba, has revealed that Google is currently working on a secret device that is spec'd similar to the current Pixel 7 Pro. And interestingly, Google has made some changes internally in terms of the components, whether it's the displays and the fingerprint sensor. So, after seeing this particular news, I was really confused whether is it the rumored Pixel 7 Ultra that was talk of the town before the launch of the Pixel 7 series, or is it the next generation of the Pixel series, which is the Pixel 8 Pro. So in this video, we're going to take a look at what is that exactly, and let's get a deep dive on what actually was revealed by that tipster and how it was revealed. So watch this video till the end because it's going to be really interesting and fun. And by the way, if you don't know me yet, well, I'm your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arnav. So let's get started. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro were really good smartphones, especially when comparing it with its predecessors, because there are a lot of things that Google has fixed in it. Google has fixed the fingerprint sensor, the connectivity, a lot of issues that was there underlying in the previous generation Pixel smartphone. And by the way, I've already made a video on Pixel 7 Pro, and I'm also going to drop the review video of the Pixel 7 Pro soon, so stay tuned for that in our channel, whether it's worth a purchase or not, especially if you're in India. So just click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified whenever that video drops. Anyways, so as I said in the beginning, recently a tipster called as Kuba revealed that Google is currently working on a smartphone that is codenamed as Pixel G10, and it is said to have similar spec to that of the current Pixel 7 Pro. When I say similar spec, I'm not meaning that each and every component is similar. It only means that some components are pretty similar to the current Pixel 7 Pro. So what are those components? Well, the first one is the display resolution. So the display resolution has been spotted as Quad HD, and by the way, the Pixel 7 Pro has Quad HD display and it is supplied by Samsung. But the device that was spotted on the line of code by Kuba was having a Quad HD display, and the supplier of that particular display was actually BOE Electronics, which is the same supplier or vendor who supplies displays for Apple. So this is one thing that was spotted by the tipster. And the second thing was Google registering Qualcomm as the fingerprint sensor supplier for them. So Google is actually trying to use the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner by Qualcomm in their Pixel G10, which is like code name for whatever the phone that is going to be. Well, this is a really great upgrade considering the current lineup of Pixel devices, because the current lineup is using an optical fingerprint scanner, which is not so seamless, but yeah, it does the job for you. And the third thing which was revealed was the camera cutouts. It seems that the codenamed Pixel G10 will also have similar kind of camera cutouts of the current Pixel 7 Pro, which means that the optics could be similar. So my question is it the Pixel 7 Ultra or is it the next generation Pixel 8 Pro? Well, we really don't know what is happening with Google, but it's really weird to spot a device so early by Google, considering it's just been 2 weeks since the latest Pixel devices has been launched. But from what I see, I conclude into two possibilities. One, this could be the Pixel 7 Ultra, which was rumored way back before the Pixel 7 series was launched, or it could be the Pixel 8 Pro that Google is trying to internally test and figure out what could be the correct spec for the next generation of Pixel smartphone. Whatever it is, I am really happy and satisfied of some changes that Google is trying to make, especially with the displays. I'm not complaining about the displays that already is there on a Pixel 7 Pro. It is great, it is fun to use, it is very good, sharp, color, contrast, everything is great. And also considering the fact that Samsung makes one of the greatest displays in the market, but this time around Google has decided to switch its display vendor from Samsung to BOE, which is kind of interesting, and we have to wait and watch on what kind of display that it would be. Of course, it will have the same curved display thing, but I'm really excited to see the kind of change that it brings onto the table. And apart from that, the second thing which I'm really happy about is the fingerprint sensor upgrade. Now, from what I read in multiple articles about the Pixel G10, it seems that Google has registered Qualcomm as their fingerprint sensor partner, which means that they could use the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that is way better than the current optical fingerprint scanner. Yes, the Pixel 7 Pro has a good fingerprint scanner than its predecessors, but having an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor means that it could be fast and more reliable. The third thing is the camera cutout. Well, it's just the cutout. We have no information on what kind of lens they are going to use, whether it's going to be the similar kind of lens that is there right now, or whether they are going to upgrade the lensing of the code-named device. So we don't know what is actually happening inside Google with the Pixel G10, but from most of the leaks that this Kuba guy has given, it seems pretty legit, because this is the same person who actually revealed the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro when it was being internally tested. So anyways, what do you guys think about the Pixel G10? Is it the rumored Pixel 7 Ultra, or is it the next generation Pixel 8 Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I personally believe that Google is internally testing a very early prototype of the Pixel 8 Pro. So yeah, it could be anything. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, if you really enjoy watching our content, drop a like to this video because it takes a lot of efforts to make this kind of videos. And also share this video with all of your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel because it motivates us to create better and better content for you guys. Anyways, this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.